Finally, we're back. Welcome to the first 2025 edition of Inside Jokes RV. Let's get it.
Me and my RV. Me and my RV. Me and my RV. Me and my RV.
All right, y'all, it's been a long time coming, and we're about to get ready to take the rig out for the first time in probably this time last year. I need to get in, get all the dust out, clean everything up. I'm gonna wash my linen, just get everything sort of back organized. And this is, again, a couple of days before we're getting ready to get out to take the rig out. So I always like to start 2 or 3 days prior, get everything clean, go through and check all the system, check the fluid, check the tire pressure, do all that stuff a few days out. And so when it's time to hit the road, man, we are just getting in this thing and hitting the road. The cleaning process is basically sometime over the summer when I have the rig stored, I leave my windows open to keep that circulation through, and then with that circulation, the dust and stuff blows in. So wipe everything, all the walls, all the seats, ceiling, everything. I wipe everything as best as I can down to get all the dust out of the rig. Go through and vacuum all the corners, all the crevices to make sure there's no little visitors rolling around with us. Wipe everything down, disinfect everything, get the bathroom clean. So it's not that I leave it dirty. It's just when your thing's stored over time, you do have to go back and just re-clean everything just for my benefit. So follow me as we get this thing clean, get ready to hit the road. Now, some of you may be wondering, why do I have all these DVDs? A couple of PS4 games. When you're camping and RVing, and people are like, oh, why you need all those DVDs? You get Netflix and Hulu and Tubi. But when you go camping, a lot of times when you go to campsites, and if you go to a lot of state parks and things way out, you don't have any internet, or it's very low on your stream unless you have, you know, one of those Starlink systems or things like that, which I don't have. A lot of times when you go to all the state parks, campgrounds, the internet is poor. And some people say, oh, use your hotspot on your phone. Sometimes your cellular service is very poor. So just for a backup plan. Gotta have some DVDs just to keep yourself entertained. If you go up, let's say Alaska somewhere, like there, I think there's still some Blockbusters, a place still open up there, up in Canada, because the internet reception cellular service is bad. So a lot of people still rent DVDs up in that Canada, Alaska area. So camping, RVing, got you a good stack of DVDs. Go to Walmart, get that little $5 bin, buy you 4 or 5 little movies that stand by. And then also, I know people say you can download stuff from Netflix when you have an interconnection. And yeah, that's cool, that's cool. So you just gotta have stuff backup plan. You know, a lot of times put all your trust in cellular systems and phones and things like that. That's what's gonna get a lot of people. When that stuff fails, a lot of people ain't gonna know what to do. So get you a good supply of DVDs, keep them in your RV. You'll have something to be entertained. All right, let's keep it going. And the most important part of any RV cleanup to me, this right here. These daggum sheets. Again, I washed them before, haven't used them in a year. But again, dust settles, I had the windows open, so there's no way in the world I'm about to sleep on these sheets. Dusty sheets. These go into the wash machine. Fresh new sheets. Let's go.